All right, guys, it's already Thursday. We're going to work on our word work again. You guys know the routine. This is the only time when you get to copy your teacher and not get in trouble. So here we go. We're going to start with our rhyming. No, so, stack, pack, hay, weigh, will, pill, bake, take. Okay, our next part is our onset fluency. That's the beginning sound and then reading the word. G, gone. J, jack. K, kid. P, pig. Qu, quiet. Great job. Okay, we'll be blending our words together. N, ought, not. F, or, for. W, ache, wake. H, have, have. G, if, give. Okay, punching out our final sounds. Sleep. If. Look. Hog. Cage. Great job. Get your choppers out. Remember, present first and then chop. And follow me. Boy. B-oy. Gate. G-8. Deep. D-eep. Cup. K-up. Horn. H-orn. Great job, already halfway done today. Okay, we've got our sounds and we are gonna start with one, add another to the beginning, okay? Today we're starting with og at the ending. We're add d at the beginning to make dog. I hope you got it. Okay, we have og at the ending. We add f at the beginning to make fog. Very good. We have og at the ending. We're going to add ul at the beginning to make log. Good job. We have og at the ending, fr at the beginning to make frog. Good job. One more. We have og at the ending. Add h at the beginning to make hog. All right, great job. Now we have deleting and then our nursery rhymes. That's it. Today we have the word sad. Without s at the beginning, what's left? Add. Good job. Mad. Without m at the beginning, what's left? Add. We have dad. Without d at the beginning, what's left? Add. We have bad. Without b at the beginning, what's left? Add. And we have pad. Without p at the beginning, what's left? Add. You got it. Once you get that pattern, it's pretty easy. Okay, we're going to try Little Boy Blue. See if you've got it memorized yet. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack. fast asleep. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do it without looking. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Now see if you can do it. If you get it without any help, great, good job. If not, we'll practice tomorrow. And if you've got it, go ahead and tell your parents. I bet they remember that nursery rhyme. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday.